Those are nose picker pliers.
What are these?
Nose picker pliers.
Nose picker pliers?
Nose picker pliers.
Oh, those are the nose pickers pliers. You know why?
Why?
Because they're called needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers for nose pickers.
I'm going to show Tommy this video. I'm going to show him what's in there.
Yeah.
He said you guys can Skype with him before you go to bed if you want. And what is this?
Adjustable wrench.
Adjustable wrench.
Good
Got
job,
it.
bro.
Ooh, what are these?
Are those yours or Daddy's?
Mine.
Yours.
They're yours, okay. And what are they?
That's
Okay, these are called channel locks.
Channel lock.
Channel locks.
Yeah, here, I'll show you how to I'll show Ellie how to do
And what are these?
nose picker pliers.
Nose picker pliers. What are they really called? Needle nose. Needle nose pliers.
I can't. There you go.
Careful, careful, careful.
So, your audit, does Brooks have everything he's supposed to have?
What is this?
Keep them
Wire cutters.
Look at that, Brooks. You
Look
gotta
at
remember.
that big. Look at that
What's
big.
that thing called, Brooks?
This is so big.
Channel
What
something.
are those called?
Channel lock.
Channel locks.
Oh,
Channel
Brooks, you knew it!
Channel lock.
Smarty
Alright.
pants.
How do we?
Channel locks. Alright. Hold on. Here, come on. We gotta make sure we don't want this video to go on too long. We gotta make sure
And you got everything?
Tommy has everything. Alright, so we have screwdrivers. What are this? What is this called?
And Brooks has actually been using them. He's been helping me. And he goes and gets me his tools. That's
Okay.
what?
A couple more.
A couple more. Alright, I'm going to stop the video.
Well, wait, hold on. Brooks, what is that?
What, this?
No, this.
The top. The top.
Both. It's a
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver?
And
Phillips said, right. And what is that?
Flathead.
Flathead screwdriver. You got it.
Wow, Brooks. And what's this one called again? That one right there. That was that one.
Channel lockers. Channel lockers.
Oh, wow. You guys are learning.
Alright,
a
what
lot.
is it? Wait, hold on.
Okay.
What is that? Just let Brooks answer this one. See if you know.
What's that one, Brooks?
Adjustable one.
Adjustable wrench. You got
Very
it.
good.
I knew it because I had it right in my
Yeah,
hand.
you had a small
Good
one.
job.
Okay.
All right.
Think everything's in there
Audit
for now.
complete. Audit passed. Brooks passed.